What's the meaning of acquisition? Acquisition. 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 Acquisition refers to the process of obtaining, purchasing or taking control of something, such as a company or property. The result of an acquisition can vary depending on the specific circumstances and motivations behind it. In many cases, an acquisition is made in order to expand a business's market share, diversify its offerings, or gain access to new technologies or resources. Acquisitions can also result in job losses, changes in management, or the consolidation of industry competitors. Ultimately, the success of an acquisition depends on a variety of factors, including careful planning, effective integration strategies, and a clear understanding of the potential risks and benefits involved.